Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided we're gonna do a little bit of a vlog. We're gonna change things up. I've been super into watching vlogs lately and I'm like, why don't I vlog more often? And I don't know if it's something you guys want to see or you guys don't want to see. Let me know down below, but I figured I would just vlog today and I would show you guys what is happening in my life. Matt and I are about to run to Trader Joe's. We got back from Palm Springs yesterday. It was so freaking fun, so hot, but now we have zero groceries inside the house. So we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. We're also gonna run other errands. I have a bunch of stuff I need to drop off at the post office. As you guys know, I have my vintage store, MissTiffanyMa.com. I want to add new clothes to the store this week. So if you guys want to check anything out, check it out. I'm going to be adding a lot more stuff this week to it. But really quickly, I wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. Kind of digging this outfit. Very like athleisure, super casual, very inspired by Lore DIY. I feel like Lauren would totally wear an outfit like this. But yeah, this is the outfit for today. This top is from Opoly. It's becoming one of my favorite tops ever. It is very tight, but it makes my boobs look a little bit bigger than they actually are because it like sucks my boobs in. And then these sweats I've had from H&M for like years and years and years. Never really gave them a chance, but now that it's summertime, I guess I'm wearing sweats out and about now. And then these shoes are from Princess Polly. We made it to Trader Joe's. There's a line, there's a line, there's a line. We're in the car right now. We got to Trader Joe's. I have no makeup on and I'm trying to be more comfortable with vlogging without makeup on. I normally am the person that's like, ugh, I need to put on like a little bit of lipstick, a little bit of foundation, and I'm good. But my skin has never been better. It's like the best it's ever been. So I just need to get used to vlogging without makeup on because now my pores have shrunk. I love a good Trader Joe's. Hello.
Parker.
Ah! We're done with errands. It's a good day when you're done with errands at like 1 p.m. I had to pack the orders, grocery run, and this.
Proud boyfriend.
Thank you. Hi, Shark. Oh, she doesn't like the camera. Wow. That's all she uses me for. Doesn't ever give me love.
You know what? Why?
Nothing. All she uses me for is food and freaking water. Right now, I'm gonna do a little grocery store haul because your girl stocked up and I can't believe I got all this food for $40. Trader Joe's is where it's at. All right, guys, I took a little break because I posted a new photo on my Instagram. So if you guys haven't liked it yet, go do it. This is the photo I just posted. Lauren helped me take it in Palm Springs. It is so freaking cute. So if you guys are watching this vlog and you guys are seeing this post, go comment any fruit emojis. So this is the photos that Lauren helped me take. They turned out so freaking cute. But I wanted to give you guys a quick little grocery store haul from Trader Joe's because your girl got a lot of stuff and I really need to clean this kitchen. I got 2 bags full of stuff. The first thing I got are freaking eggs. I got the cage-free jumbo white eggs. Matt has gotten me into getting only brown eggs and today I was like, why do I get myself brown eggs when the white eggs are cheaper? Brown eggs are just from brown chickens and white eggs are just from white chickens. Then I got myself some flatbread naan. I like to eat flatbreads. If you guys have watched any of my what I eat in a day videos, I love flatbreads. I got 2 avocados because I'm obsessed with avocado toast. Got myself a sweet onion. These are the best things ever. These are the cookie butter sandwich cookies. Literally another girl at Trader Joe's was like, oh my god, where did you get those? Those are my favorites. I can never find them. I was like, girl, they're like right there down the aisle to your right. Get them. And I kind of want to eat one right now. I'm really hungry. It is currently 2 p.m. I haven't ate anything yet today. And that's just something I naturally do. I'm not a breakfast person. I just do not get hungry when I wake up. I don't know why. I've been like that my entire life pretty much. And it's not because I'm trying to starve myself. I just naturally don't eat until 2 p.m. These are so good. I also got myself ricotta cheese and then I did something a little bit different. I got goat milk cheese. I used to hate goat milk cheese until about a week ago. Matt's sister came over and showed us goat cheese and it was the best thing I've ever had. I don't know how to pronounce this. Chev, right? Chev goat cheese with honey. Oh, I love honey, so that sounds amazing. Speaking of honey, I got some honey as well. I got cherries. I'm obsessed with cherries. They're in season during summer. They're so freaking bomb. I can probably eat half of this in one sitting. Then Matt and I got some more jasmine rice because we're all out. I also got a zucchini. Then I got some garlic powder because we're out, and then ground black pepper because we're almost out of that. Then I got the best things ever, which are these pretzel thins from Trader Joe's. They are better than any other brand of chocolate covered pretzels because it's like super thin pretzels. So that means there's more surface area for chocolate to stick to. So you get a really good ratio of chocolate to pretzel. Then I got raspberries, and then I got myself one of my favorite foods ever, freaking watermelon. By the way, if you guys don't know how to pick out a watermelon, pick out a watermelon that is heavy for its size. Also, look for this yellow spot. That is the spot where the watermelon sits. If it turns yellow, it means it's getting ripe. That is how you pick a watermelon. So this is kind of what I'm gonna be eating over the next week or so. Super excited about all the avocado toast and flatbreads I'm about to have, and cherries and raspberries and watermelon. I'm really happy I got a bunch of fruit because I have been craving fruit recently. Oh, I'm so happy I decided to buy jasmine rice because that would have lasted us maybe another day and I would have been so freaking sad because I love jasmine. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what I want to eat right now. There are so many options and this is what happens every single time. I'm like too lazy to make real food, but I want to make real food. I don't know what to make. I think tonight I for sure am going to make flatbreads for myself, but right now I think I might just make some eggs with bread. Like that just sounds amazing. So I think I'm going to have eggs with toast even though it's literally like 2:30 p.m. I'm going to make myself an egg sandwich except without mayo. That sounds freaking delicious right now. P.S. I don't know if you guys have noticed or not because maybe it's not noticeable, but I have gained a little bit of weight, but I'm totally happy with that. My goal is to get a bigger booty, and I know the only way I can do that is by gaining a little bit of weight first and then working out my butt. I've been trying to eat more than I normally would, and it sounds so counterintuitive because for me, I listen to my body. I eat when I'm hungry, I stop when I'm full. I get so many comments about my weight. You guys are always asking about what I'm eating, but either way, I've been trying to eat a lot more protein bars as well. So if you guys are curious on how to gain a little bit of weight, if you guys are trying to, definitely try to eat protein bars. One, that's just gonna be really good for you to gain muscle weight as well, and two, it's like really easy to have like 200 calories in a small bar. Like a bar like this is so tiny. That is 220 calories. Like that is not even the size of my palm. So 220 calories worth of rice is a lot of rice, but 220 calories worth of protein bar is really, really small. So it's just packed in. My favorite bars are actually Alani Nu bars. Every single time Remy gives me one, I like eat it right away. I'm still not the biggest fan of protein bar taste, but I'm trying. So if you guys have any suggestions on what type of protein bars you guys really love and suggest to me, let me know down below because right now I freaking hate that protein bar taste. It is disgusting. It is not fun to eat and it just makes me not want to eat anything after eating it because it has a really gross aftertaste. But I feel like I've tried a lot of brands. I just haven't found one I loved yet. None of them are like speaking my name. My bread is ready. All right, bread is ready. I got my 2 jumbo white eggs. Oh, these are 8 grams of protein each. So I'm gonna have 2 of these. And then I think later today I'm gonna do like a mini workout. I'm just gonna do like a butt and inner thigh workout. I just ate so much food in Palm Springs, which is completely fine, but it just didn't make me feel good. So I'm really excited to get back into a routine of just eating a little bit healthier than I did in Palm Springs. I had so much red vines, so much candy, so much hot Cheetos. But it was good, it was all good. It was totally fine, I was happy. I'm gonna shut up because I already know that some of you guys are just gonna make comments about what I'm saying. Oh, so good. Tiny bit of pepper. So I think I'm gonna get some work done. I did vlog while it was in Palm Springs, but I don't know for sure if I'm gonna edit and upload those because it was all over the place. Half the time when I was in Palm Springs, I was like completely buzzed. I get completely wasted after like 1 freaking drink. I don't even know if my vlogs are gonna be that good, so I'm gonna go over all of my footage and see if I actually wanna edit it and show it to you guys. But it was such a fun weekend that I want you guys to see like how fun it was, but at the same time, I didn't vlog enough of it, so I don't know how fun it's gonna even look. But yeah, I think it's time to hang out on the couch, eat some good food, watch Selling Sunset. That's my like new favorite thing. I kind of want to get my real estate license. Like if YouTube doesn't work out for me, I think I want to get my real real estate license. But again, I think it's also because I really miss school. I miss learning. Let's go to the couch. Let's watch Selling Sunsets, and let's eat some good food. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my God, did my voice just crack doing that? I sound like a prepubescent 14-year-old. I also just fell off the couch. Not a good start to this vlog clip. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It is currently 7 p.m. I am inside of my workout clothes because your girl is about to work out. I try to no longer do high intensity interval trainings, although they're very fun for me because I am trying to gain a little bit of weight, and I feel like every time I do that, I somehow lose all the weight that I've gained, which is great for people who are trying to lose weight, but for me who's not trying to lose weight, it's not very good for me. So I only do cardio about once a week, maybe once every like 10 days, and then I'll just do regular strength training twice a week. I'm gonna show you guys quickly my outfit for today. So my top is from Aloe Yoga. This is actually shorts I got from Amazon. They were literally $10 or $15 on Amazon. They're so amazing. Right now, Matt is working out with his brother in the garage. They like are so cute together. They work out about 3 or 4 times a week together, and Matt is on a workout grind. He's looking great. He's lost 7 pounds, I believe, which is crazy. So it's really funny that Matt is losing weight while I'm gaining weight. Right now, I just rolled out my mat. I've had this mat forever.
Hi, I'm Emmy. I know that you guys love thigh burners. Today we'll target the inner thigh burn. Work your inner thigh to lift your right leg up and down without dropping it to the floor.
Oh my God!
This time we're concentrating the burn in the left inner thigh. No pain, no gain. 3, 2, possible, and bringing them back together again. Sit your butt back and down until thighs are parallel to the floor. We're just holding it here.
So I just finished my workout. Oh my God, my butt is killing me. Resistance bands help you grow your booty, and I'll link some down below that I really like that I've gotten. They work so well. I need to get some work done. I need to make some food, and then need to take a quick little shower and everything. Hello, we are in the kitchen. Matthew Fine working out. Tiffany Ma working out.
Ooh.
Woo! So we are gonna make flatbread today for myself. This Bertazzoni freaking oven is so finicky. Like, I kind of hate it. This brand is like top-notch Italian made, that is imported from Italy, but it's like so confusing to work sometimes. I'm gonna grab an onion. We're also gonna grab zucchinis. Check on the flatbread. So I want it pretty crispy. Not crispy just yet. Ooh, she's hot though. All right, we made the flatbread. I'm gonna stick this back in the oven for about 5 minutes to melt all the cheese. Yum, yum. Oh my God, I freaking love flatbread. Now I know how to make it by myself. Matt is probably so happy I now know how to make flatbread by myself, because normally he would make it for me all the time. I got my flatbread out of the oven. Holy freaking cow, this looks bomb. So how I like to eat my flatbreads is I like to add a little bit of honey to it as well. If you ever try this, try it with zucchinis, onions, ricotta cheese, honey, and a little bit of chili oil. So here is the chili oil. If you guys watched my kitchen pantry reorganization, you guys know where I got this chili oil from. It is from Sweet Fin Pokey. Thank you very much for this donation. Yum. Okay. All right, guys, a little update here. I am currently writing in my bullet journal. I'm just filling everything out. If you guys haven't seen my August bullet journal yet, go ahead and freaking watch it. It is literally one of my favorite bullet journals I've ever made. And I honestly think it's because I was doing the voiceover completely differently this time around. So if you guys want to watch it, I'll have a link for you guys down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was honestly so much fun vlogging today. I forgot how much I enjoy vlogging. So let me know if you guys want me to do more vlogs. Maybe I'll do a Vlogmas in August. I'll also, if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below what color shirt are you wearing right now. And I'm currently wearing Alicia Marie's Vlogmas merch. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.